It is A1, Lesson 3 in the Immigration Office. The immigration officer is asking the passengers some questions. Let us hear and learn.
السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. هل أنت سعودية؟
نعم، أنا سعودية.
هل معك جواز سفر يا سيدتي؟
نعم، معي جواز سفري.
هل تحملين شيئا يستحق دفع الرسوم عنه؟
نعم، إنها شوكولاتة.
حسناً. نعم، أنا سعودية. Again. Excellent. نعم، معي جواز سفر. Again. Excellent. نعم، إنها شوكولاتة. Again. Excellent. Did you get this part easily? It is time to learn them by heart. Just keep repeating them loudly that you hear yourself saying them correctly and discover the beauty of your sounds. Don't forget to repeat writing them as well, 10 times, 20 times, 100 times, why not? A PDF writing worksheet to help you exercise writing them is on the website link underneath this video. In A1 Lesson 3, we learned about the Immigration Office. In Lesson 4, we will, inshallah, learn about personal information. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you next time, inshallah. في أمان الله.